Okay, so I showed you how to assign material and name your parts and configure a BOM table. So now you need to open up B-size paper here, and we're going to insert an assembly. Right now it says 1:2 scale. That might be good. We'll see. And okay, Part Studios. I don't want to show a part. I want to show an assembly. So click here on Assembly. Got a bunch of assemblies. It's this one. So right now it's going to show a front view. Okay, some of you, the front wasn't actually the front. It's okay. Don't freak out here, because just place anything in there, and you can double click on it, and you can change the view to be top. Okay, my top is top. Your top might be front. Your front might be top and bottom, or whatever side, whatever it is. Get it until it's, even though it might not be called the front view, get that front view. Okay, that's a good one to have. Once you have that, you can get a projected view of it. So click projected view, click on it, and maybe come over here, right? And now you've got, I'm gonna hit escape. Now I got my pointer here, so I've got a front view. I've got an ISO view. If you can see everything with all this, you're good to go. 2 views minimum. If you can fit a third view in there, if you can't see some things, go ahead and do it. Now I'm going to toss in the BOM table. Here it is. So click. It's already been configured. And I'm going to put mine right there. Look, everything's named. Everything has a material. I have 20 parts in my, my assembly. Last thing you're going to do is grab these callouts. So make sure you click it and you highlight a part, a chunk, and then pull away. And that's part number 18. You look at 18, and sure enough, that's the hammer. It's made out of birch. So just grab all 20 parts, and off you go. Make sure you put them where the numbers are easy to see. Boom. And it's pointing to it, okay? So get all 20 of them. Don't have lines overlapping and that kind of thing. Make it look pretty. Awesome. So long as you can see every part, we'll be good to go. Sweet. And like here, it's hard to see, what's what. So I'll grab this and put it over here, and away we go.